Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, today we are going to discussing about the significance and importance the sacred month of Islam, Sha'ban. Sha'ban, the eighth month of Islam's Hijri or lunar calendar, and the month that precedes the holy month of Ramadan was the most beloved month to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Shaban is significant for many reasons. First, it is the time that Muslims start getting ready for the month of Ramadan. It was in the middle of the month of Shaban when Muslims believed that God ordered Prophet Muhammad to change the Qibla, the direction towards which Muslims face when they pray, from Al Aqsa Mosque in Jerusalem to the Holy Kaaba in Mecca. Al Aqsa Mosque had been the Qibla for 13 years in Mecca and for nearly 18 months after Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam migrated to Medina. Verses from the Quran were revealed to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, instructing him and all Muslims to turn towards the Kaaba in Mecca when they pray. Most interpretations date this incident to the middle of the month of Sha'ban. Traditions of Prophet Muhammad show that it is recommended to fast during Sha'ban. Well known companion of the Prophet Anas bin Malik reported that Prophet Muhammad was asked, which fast is the most meritorious after the fasting of Ramadan? Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, fasting of Shaban in honor of Ramadan. Fasting in Shaban is like mental and physical training for fasting in Ramadan. Many Muslims may experience difficulty when they start the fast in Ramadan, but if they started fasting a few days in Shaban, their bodies may get used to fasting and not feel so lethargic and weak when Ramadan comes. Shaban is like an introduction to Ramadan, and it has some common things in common with Ramadan, such as fasting, reciting Quran, and giving to charity. Aisha, the wife of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, is narrated to have said, "The messenger of God used to fast until we thought he would never break his fast, and not fast until we thought he would never fast. I never saw the messenger of God fasting for an entire month except in Ramadan, and I never saw him fast more than he did in Shaban." The Prophet's adopted son, Usama ibn Zayd, narrated, "I said to the Prophet, O Messenger of God, I did not see you fasting in any month as you do in the month of Sha'ban." The Prophet said, "People neglect this month, which is between Rajab and Ramazan. In this month, the actions of people are presented to God, so I like my deeds to be presented while I am fasting." Though fasting is made obligatory in Ramadan, Muslims believe fasting in Shaban is beneficial in a number of ways as it offers a chance to start preparing for Ramadan. In Shaban, many Muslim scholars and others used to consistently recite and read the Holy Quran, along with fasting, which also helps in getting our routine of worship in place for the coming month of Ramadan. So, Muslims believe that if they begin increasing acts of worship in Shaban, they will enjoy the fruits of their efforts in the holy month of Ramadan. So, we must try to concentrate and doing good deeds in this holy month.